Welcome. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to update the email editor in Mautic using the latest interface. Updating your email editor allows you to create modern, responsive emails faster with a more intuitive drag-and-drop experience. This helps improve your email campaigns and overall workflow. First, log in to your Mautic admin dashboard using your administrator email and password. Click the Settings icon on the left sidebar. Scroll down to Email Settings, look for the Default Email Editor dropdown and select Grapes.js Builder, the latest visual editor in Mautic. After selecting it, click Save and Close to apply your changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated the email editor in Mautic. You can now create professional, responsive emails more efficiently than ever before. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.